Welcome to StudyKwik. Today's question is the reported surface wind from the control tower is 240 degrees 35 knots. Runway 30. What is a crosswind component? Let us solve it step by step. First, find the angle between the runway and the wind direction. The wind is from 240 degrees and the runway is 300 degrees, so the angle difference is 60 degrees. Using the thumb rule for crosswind components, at 60 degrees, the crosswind is approximately 90% of the wind speed. Now next step is to calculate the wind component by plugging in the values. So, multiply 35 knots by 0.9 to find the crosswind component. This gives a crosswind component of about 31.5 knots. Approximate to 30 knots. Understanding this helps pilots prepare for takeoff and landing conditions safely.